I love my prescription lenses from VR Rock for my Meta glasses. One of my first videos on the Metas was how to save money and install prescription lenses yourself at home. I went with the lenses from VR Rock because they had great reviews, but more importantly, it was nice to my wallet. Every pair of Meta glasses I've got since then, aside from my displays and Vanguards, all of my lenses are from VR Rock. Normally I get transition lenses for my glasses, but since I have a few frames now, I wanted to try something different. But also, because transitions don't completely darken when I'm out in the sun, they didn't really make for great sunglasses. This is pretty normal with transition options though, but that being said, I wanted to try out their fully tinted ones. So I reached out to them and they sent me a couple of their new lenses to try out. They sent over gray tinted ones and also these mirrored polarized lenses in ruby red, which, spoiler alert, have become my favorite set. But yeah, in case you didn't know, VR Rock is a site that specializes in custom lenses for glasses like the Metas and Ray Neos, but also for various VR headsets. They're really easy to order from and have a lot of customization options you can choose from, most of which are even free. If you're looking for lenses, I definitely suggest checking out VR Rock. Now, if you've never swapped out lenses in your Meta glasses before, let me show you how to do it right now in real time. I have the mirrored lenses in my headliners right now, so let's swap them out for the tinted ones. Alright, so here are my headliners with the mirrored lenses there. Here is the box from VR Rock and the lenses inside. You get a case in here to store the lenses in, and each of the lenses come in individually packaged. Here's the left and right one, well, obviously. And you also get a cleaning cloth. But let's go ahead and put this away. Alright, let's start off with the right one. Alright, so to take the lenses out of your Meta glasses, you're going to want to do it from the inside out. So, inside of the frame out, you can push it inside out. And the best way to do it is to roll your thumbs through it, kind of like this right here. So, let's go ahead and take the right one out first. Right, the right one. And then just roll your thumb right through and it pops right out, super easy. Let's go ahead and get the left one out too while we're at it. Of course I have trouble with this one. There you go. And the left one's out too. Alright, let's get the right one. Here it is, the tinted lens. And to put them back in, you're gonna want to do it the opposite. You're gonna do it from the outside in. And usually I like to start on the corner here. And then the other corner. And then just push them through. And then once you hear that click, they're in, they're done. Alright, let's do the left one now. Again, I'm gonna do it from the corner. And then line up the second corner. Oh, that one just popped right in. That was super easy. And there you go. Upside down, there you go. And they're in. Fingerprints on there, and I like to clean them off real quick with Whoosh. Where's it at? I like to use Whoosh cleaner, not sponsored by the way. But this is just what a lens cleaner I like to use to clean off my my Metas. And then clean them off. And there you go, super easy to do. And then you can put the old lenses into the carrying case. Got these little baggies to put them in. Just drop them in there. And there you go, we're done. And just like that, you have new lenses installed on your Metas. Again, it is scary the first time you do it, but once you've swapped them once, it's super easy to do them from then on. If you're interested in picking up lenses from VR Rock, make sure to use my code ROAM to save 10% off your purchase. I'll have the links and everything you need in the description below. And while you're there, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel out. By the way, if you made it this far, don't tell them this, but I don't think they ever canceled my 15% off Black Friday code. So try the code ROAMBF15 to try to save a little bit more. And remember to keep this between us. Alright, I'm gonna see if there's any more glasses I can buy. I don't think I have enough.